DJI NEO is the lightest and most compact drone in DJI's lineup, weighing just 135 grams. With effortless palm takeoff and landing, no remote controller is required, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Capture cinematic footage with you in focus, whether indoors or outdoors, and include everyone in group photos with ease. Experience a fresh perspective on everyday life through NEO's advanced AI subject tracking, ensuring you stay in the spotlight during activities like cycling, skateboarding, or hiking. With AI algorithms, NEO easily follows subjects for captivating follow shots. Unleash your creativity with quick shots. Simply press a button, and DJI NEO automatically films dynamic angles using 6 intelligent shooting modes. Control NEO through the DJI Fly app via Wi-Fi connection, eliminating the need for a remote controller and allowing a control range of up to 50 meters. For longer distances, pair NEO with the DJI N3 remote controller, reaching up to 10 kilometers. For an immersive flying experience, DJI NEO can also pair with DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3, offering precise aerobatics and seamless navigation through tight spaces. NEO's half-inch image sensor captures stunning 12 MP stills and 4K UHD stabilized videos, with rocksteady and horizon balancing technology, ensuring smooth footage even in challenging conditions. With 22 gigabytes of internal storage, NEO can record up to 40 minutes of 4K/30 FPS video or 55 minutes of 1080p/60 FPS footage. It also supports wireless audio recording via DJI Mic 2, providing clear sound with reduced propeller noise. NEO's stable flight is powered by an infrared and monocular vision positioning system, ensuring steady hovering in up to level 4 wind conditions. With an 18-minute flight time and direct charging capabilities, NEO is designed for extended fun. The Fly More combo offers enhanced flight control and additional accessories, making DJI NEO of Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.